This is why I love Southeast Asia. So it's not Chanel, it's Hansel. If I'm cycling around at that age, I think we won in life.
It's morning. It's a morning walking tour, honeys.
Hello.
Nadia.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Yeah, this is so cute. You can call me too. It's
Two.
possible for you too.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
I will be the tour guide to the old pattern and French pattern today.
Nice, okay.
We start right now.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. So we just finished up at our first stop, which is the train street, and I have to say that was an experience. The way the train passes very, very, very close to all the coffee shops on that street, I'm telling you, it is a bit exciting.
That was an experience, guys. And even Zakariya, bless him, at first he was like, woo! And then he was okay.
Yeah, then he was.
It was very long, the train. It felt like it was never ending. It was just going, woo!
Yeah, it has to be a very, very long train. But that was an experience. The best time to come is on a Saturday around about 3:20 in the afternoon, currently when there's a schedule. But the train times change every day, so the locals know when there is the trains coming. So check out with one of the local coffee shops before you visit, the night before or something around the train time. But definitely give that place a visit. So now we're walking around in this walking tour and we're on to the next stop.
The historic quarter, and it is nice and refreshing around here, not as polluted, and there's quite a lot of trees, so it's lovely and shady for Zakariya.
An interesting thing about the old town is that the streets are named after the things that used to be sold on that street. So if you had a street named Silk Street, only silk would be sold on that street.
And how many times did Irfan say street just then? Drop it in the comments below. Yeah, so the street that we're on now, guys, is actually a offering and decoration street.
So it's called Hung Ma Street. So this is the area where certain festivals and stuff happen throughout the year. And if you want to find any decorations, this is the place. But
walking across the road now with so much traffic all around, every direction.
Every direction.
But it's cool, calm,
chaos. This is why I love Southeast Asia in general. Look at this.
People are so lovely here.
They are, aren't they?
It's like finding us and Zakariya. Well, I'm benefiting from it too because it's nice and cool.
Next stop, we're going to go into the market.
So guys, our next stop, we made it to Dong Zuon Market. I hope I said that right. And this actually used to be a military base for all the communist Vietnamese back in the days, and now it's a wholesalers market.
You see all the street vendors that sell items in smaller shops, they come to this market and basically buy their products in bulk and sell it on the local streets where the locals go and buy. So let's go and check this market out.
So you got some Chanel bags, Gucci bags, etc.
So it's not Chanel, it's Hansel. That is very unique. They have the
prices on there, so yeah, it's a good price, you can buy.
My mum would like this. Walnuts, cashews, oh yeah.
250 for a kilo of these expensive nuts.
Oh, and she's letting us try some.
Thank you so much.
Come on, come on. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Bag of almonds for 80,000, guys.
That's not bad.
Pretty decent for a quarter kilo.
Come on, thank you.
Let's go, guys, to the next stop, see what else we can find.
Yeah, let's go. So this is a nice little snacky food that we're gonna have now. Lovely, delicious, fresh guavas. Oh man, look at that.
The fruit in Vietnam is just the best.
Delicious fruit.
It's just delicious.
How much was it? 20?
25.
One thing you must do, guys, is when you come to Vietnam is stop by a street food vendor and get some food.
So this, guys, is young rice. If you ever see this in the middle of the street, this is a nice sweet dessert. Wow. Might get some later, but we're being healthy this morning with a bit of guava. So we're just walking through Matt Street now. And no, that's not your friend called Matt, but actually a street that sells mats.
Matt!
Yeah!
And you know what? They've got like these little gated walls all around this area. And it kind of reminds me of Peshawar, to be honest.
That's very true.
But
it
it's
does.
actually so nice and chilled. And there's so many trees again, like I said before.
And
Nice.
that's the weird thing, there's so many cars and motorbikes, you know, driving around here, but it doesn't feel polluted at all.
No, and I think the greenery helps definitely.
Yeah,
and I
it
just
does.
love how the older women here cycle around the whole.
Exactly. And here's one little baller. Hello! Xin chào!
Very fit and healthy is the way to live, man.
Definitely. If I'm cycling around at that age, I think we won in life.
Wow guys, so this gate right behind me is over 1,000 years old. It's actually called Kwon Chong Gate, and it actually is one of the last standing gates here in the historic town, because you can tell by the bricks and the way it looks that it has got some history. So guys, we're here now on Marmay Street, and this street is known for selling things made from bamboo and rattan.
We know that bamboo and rattan is very, very strong for making little things, so interesting. Another street dedicated to a certain product.
And now we're making our way to a proper traditional Vietnamese house, which we're not far from Marmay Street, so we'll see you there.
So the old traditional house was definitely worth it. It's 10,000 dongs to enter per person, and it's just interesting to see how the old Vietnamese would live. But that house is not your typical Vietnamese house basically. It belonged to an old businessman who sold clothes. And it's similar culture between Pakistan and Vietnamese and the general Asian culture, where guests would come in and they'll be greeted to a table where they sit down and have a nice cup of tea, and the teapots really look really good. And the way the house was built, it has like a central well, which is an open ceiling where the rain would flow in, light would flow in. It had a cute bedroom, and it's just generally really interesting to see.
So guys, it's been an absolute epic adventure too. It's time to depart.
We
We're gonna
had
head back.
a lovely time here. Amazing 3-hour walking tour. We've seen places that we probably wouldn't have gone to otherwise, right?
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So a few hours later, after having a little rest in the hotel, we come out to eat, and we had some lovely dinner at an aubergine restaurant.
Yeah, so we're currently here on the walking street, and just a note guys, on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday they corner it all off so that there's no motorbikes allowed. So yeah, we've enjoyed the entertainment, we've had some ice cream, and now we're heading back to our hotel.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this video guys. Definitely do the walking tour. It's free, but it is tip based, so just leave however much you think is worth it. And yeah, definitely worth something to do.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed touring around Hanoi with us. Remember to follow your visions guys, and
We'll see you on the next one.
ciao.
Bella.